Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to sign out from Google Chat on iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Google Chat application. Let's open it. So here I already have my account open here. I already signed in, I already logged in by my account. It can be seen by the profile picture here. And how to sign up how to sign out from this application, we just need to go into this profile sections, and if you can see here, there is three options: either we manage our account or add another account, and the last is manage accounts on this device. Just click it, and now you already have like a lot of account here. Since I want to sign out, so you just need to change this blue color into the black color, means that we already signed out from this Google Chat. After that, just click done, and now you already signed out. So that's all the tutorial for signing out from Google Chat. If you find that this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.